Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then importing the mesh. Do it now. Open Roblox Studio, load your map, and import the OBJ or FBX so you can inspect topology. Once loaded, check scale, one stud equals your unit, and correct pivot orientation to avoid rotation errors. Next, enable the AI Mesh Generator plugin and allow file access. This lets the tool read geometry. Finally, select the mesh and open the plugin panel so you can apply the first generation pass immediately. You now focus on the core generation parameters and why they matter. Select target LOD and set a triangle budget. Higher counts keep detail, lower counts improve performance. Make sure to toggle preserve normals and UVs when you need shading or texture fidelity, otherwise you may lose seams. Run the AI pass, observe topology, and then perform 2 to 4 refinement passes to reduce artifacts and maintain silhouette. Once done, export a preview mesh and test, lighting to ensure normals and UVs remained consistent. You finish by exporting and integrating the optimized mesh into Roblox correctly. Export as FBX with embedded UVs or OBJ plus MTL for materials, then import back into Studio and replace the original mesh, making sure to assign colliders or bake simplified collision shapes. Test in-game for FPS impact and visual fidelity. Make adjustments if needed. If you encounter shading artifacts or broken seams, rerun the generator with a higher triangle budget or enable seam preserve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.